All right, you should be getting an email to create an account in Network Academy. Y'all in 2350 and 2250 should have already be familiar with what we do in Network Academy. Okay, I start both classes up with a great review, and it is, and there's going to be another video on it. It is what I call the two router project. Okay, two router project. And it's based on a little bit of a storyline. Try to create a little bit of a storyline to give a real world feel to it. And I always say, if you had a subway, and you, like I said, you had a router, you had a switch, and you had some computers. All right. And you had this one in, like, say, Denham Springs or something, Baton Rouge. And then you have one over in Metairie. You had a subway in Metairie, and people, and you wanted these two organizations to communicate. All right. So we'll put a switch here. Put some computers here. All right. Then we create what we call a serial connection, and you're going to see in the video how we put the serial connection in there. And so, and then things start talking. Okay. One thing I always want to reiterate, and I'm going to say it, why I say it again and say it again, is that once we'll get TCP/IP addresses on everything correctly. We'll turn all the ports on, and everything will be working properly. But if we don't have this router, we use Cisco wants you to use it. It's a router information protocol, which is a router, a protocol for routers to communicate with each other. And it's called RIP, and we'll talk about that. But if these two guys don't talk, you don't have that set up, it doesn't work. And we're going to learn how to ping from here to here. Remember, ping is like in your reward is the reply. Ping is like in a dark room. If I say, "Hey, are you here?" and you say, "Yes, I'm here," so that's a ping. That's the reward of ping is a reply that you get. Okay. So we're going to get cranking on this project this week. Okay. That way we'll have some discussion time when we get in our first day in class this week. Okay. When we get to class next week, but this week we're going to get cracking on this. I have a step-by-step guide to how to do that. And so anyway, all right.